It can be very challenging to start business in the biotech field. I would say the most important challenge that startups are facing in this field is the very long time to market. So typically, a biotech invention has to go through several stages of preclinical and clinical development, and it can take several years until the first product can actually reach the market. So the startup has to basically bridge several years before they get the first revenues from the first product that enters in the market. And IP can support the business in several ways. First of all, it can create opportunities for licensing, which allows the business to generate revenues during that period when they have no product on the market. And at the same time, they can keep on developing the technology further. And it can also help the business to attract further collaborations, investors, and other business partners. So typically, the biotech startup will, at a certain point, wants to engage in some collaborations, maybe with bigger companies. It will want to attract venture capitalists or get maybe public grants. And for all that, IP is absolutely essential. One of the main challenges that OncoQR faced at the beginning was how to protect their technology with a strong IP portfolio while having quite limited resources. So what they have done is that they protected only the main elements of the technology with a strong patent portfolio, while they kept certain elements of the technology as a trade secret. So their IP strategy is basically to mix strong patents with trade secrets. And this IP strategy is also reflected in their licensing strategy. So when they give a license to another company, they don't only include patents, but they include also the trade secrets and additional data and information. And they even provide further support for manufacturing of the vaccine, which is the final product. Because it's not only in the interest of the licensee, but it's also in the interest of OncoQR that the products of their licensees actually reach the market. And like this, by offering these comprehensive licensing agreements that include all those elements, they actually increase the value of the licensing agreements for both of the parties.